Withdrawing money from DoorDash after your account review is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you can access your earnings easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the DoorDash app or website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have completed any necessary account verification steps. Step 2. Navigate to Earnings. Once logged in, go to the Earnings section. This is typically found in the main menu or dashboard, where you can view your total earnings and any pending payments. Step 3. Check account status. Before proceeding with the withdrawal, ensure that your account review is complete and that there are no restrictions on your account. Look for any notifications or lists that may indicate issues. Step 4. Select Withdrawal option. In the Earnings section, look for the option to withdraw your earnings. This may be labeled as Cash Out or Withdraw Funds. Click on this option to proceed. Step 5. Choose Withdrawal Method. Select your preferred withdrawal method, such as direct deposit to a bank account or a transfer to a payment app. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information and confirm your withdrawal. After completing these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. Keep an eye on your bank account or payment app for the funds to arrive. If you encounter any issues, reach out to DoorDash support for assistance.